Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo X60 Pro and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then let's enter the Play Store. And usually we should tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner, but lately actually the Google Play just moved all the settings which have been there to this circle. So after tapping on it, we will receive the information also. And unfortunately I just closed it, but we had the information that actually everything, including the apps, the payment methods, has been transferred to this circle. So let's tap on it and enter manage apps and device. Now we have to tap on manage, and as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are currently on our device. So in order to check the updates, just tap on updates available, and as you can see, in my case I've got only three updates pending actually. So in order to update the app, all you have to do is to simply mark it like here and tap on this update icon, and as you can see right now, this update will be downloaded, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you don't have to do actually anything else. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Vivo X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.